These are my harvest today: the apples, tomatoes, grapes, the very fragrant peaches, and then one teeny tiny strawberry.
To keep the fruit-bearing trees prolific during fruiting season, aside from giving them plant food every 3 months, we also need to prune them as much as possible during dormant season or when they are asleep for deciduous trees or the ones as foliage fall during fall or autumn season.
Let's prune this branch. See how fast? I super love this thing to keep two more of balance. So for example, like you're cutting, and then you can hold on to this. And today I'm going to prune some branches using this super awesome battery powered chainsaw, mini chainsaw that was gifted to me by Very Model. It came with 2 batteries. Each battery takes about 2 hours to charge, and it will last about like 40 minutes to an hour of continuous use. So with the 2 batteries, you can you have like 2 hours, almost 2 hours of continuous use before you need to charge again. And then it came with a charger, this charger, and then this goggles, which is super awesome. Most of the chainsaws, they don't come with like this goggle, so this is pretty awesome. You don't have to worry about getting a new one. And then with the gloves, which is really important, so these are really important, this and this. And then this came with an 8-inch blade. There is another like extra blade here, so you have 2 options. You have the 8-inch and then the 6-inch blade. And then in terms of like the chain, this 8-inch has like a chain, and then it has like a spare chain too if you need one. So there is like a spare chain for 8-inch, and then 2 spare chains for the 6-inch blade. So everything is covered here. And then you have the screwdriver and then the brush here.
What I really like most about this is you have this handle to like balance off when you're cutting. You can like hold on to this one too for like more of like stability or like balance. A place here to put in the oil. It's like more of automatic lubrication of the blade. You just put the oil here, close it down, and will like lubricate the chain.
This uses an advanced technology. It has a brushless motor, which is all copper, and then it has more torque, or like in more of a simple term, it's like more force or more power, which equates to like high efficiency. So this is a highly efficient mini chainsaw, battery powered mini chainsaw, and it has a longer lifespan. So let's try this. Now it's easier to walk here. When you are resting, you can put it down like that, and the blade is like protected because it is standing up. And once you are totally done, you can just remove the battery and then just put it back onto this like beautiful case. Look at this case. Put the gloves too, and then look at this. Look at this like awesome case. And just like put it in your like storage room or where you put your tools, so it doesn't occupy that much space too. So everything is there. Very impressive chainsaw, highly recommended.
I will cut out this like branch too. This one. This branch, because it is really close to the roof too. It's a huge branch, but then I don't want it to be
really close to the roof, and it will grow more too. So I will cut